To assemble your single-dose card, you'll need a card, a filling template, a roller, and a blister. This single-dose card is made to hold 31 doses of one specific medication. That's a 1-month supply of a medication. Place the filling template on the table. Next, remove the pressure-sensitive liner from the bottom of the card. Place the card on the sealing template and insert the blister. Next, let's fill our medication. Place one medication into each blister. Once filled, fold the card over and use the roller to securely seal the card. Finished. It's that easy. Your 1-month clean disposable single-dose card is filled and ready to use. On the back of the card, you can fill in the information about the medication, including the name of the medication, strength, and expiration date. This card is perfect for long-term care, assisted living, and correctional facilities.